各位小朋友，我係路家姐姐，今日教大家畫動物，我哋估下咩動物先 ？Can you guess the animal? It has the longest teeth. 呢隻動物嘅牙齒係最長㗎。你估下係咩陸地動物呢？ What animal is that? Is it the lion? The zebra? A tiger? 俾啲提示你先，畫下個鼻俾你睇。然後就係佢嘅耳朵，跟住就係佢個身體同四隻腳。仲有眼睛啊！跟住就係佢嘅牙齒啦，冇錯啦，就係大象。It's the elephant。
Especially the African elephant. Their tusks can be as long as 3 meters. 佢哋嘅象牙可以有3米長㗎。
Elephant can also be very heavy. It can be as heavy as 10 trolleys. 大象都可以好重㗎。
This animal can run the fastest. What animal is that?呢個動物咧係最快嘅，跑得係咩動物咧？大家又估唔估到啦？睇下先，畫下佢個頭。This is the head。佢個身。This is the body。And 4 legs， 同埋4隻腳，仲有佢個尾巴 and the tail。噔噔噔噔，原來係獵豹 cheetah， 佢係可以每個1個小時跑120公里㗎。It can run up to 120 kilometers per hour。你睇佢跑得幾快？好啦，而家到畫最高嘅動物。It is the tallest animal. What animal is that? 佢係咩動物呢？俾啲時間你諗下先。What animal is that? 俾啲提示你。We'll give you some hint.This is the head and the body. 跟住仲有尾巴，大家又估唔估到呢？係啦，就係長頸鹿。It's the giraffe. It could be up to 6 meters tall.可以去到棵樹咁高㗎，哇！睇下佢幾高。呢個就係全世界最高嘅動物。This is the tallest animal in the world. What's that noise? Do you hear that? 你聽唔聽到啊？哇！我走先啦。中意我 channel 就 like 同 subscribe 啊！If you like my channel, please like and subscribe. Bye!